Hey everyone, how are you this week? Me and Carmen here. She's checking herself out in the camera. We're out in the apartment garden, and I just pulled recently the summer garden veggies out, and I thought that I'd bring you along today because Carmen and I are going to be planting some spinach and some broccoli and some fall mums because we got these cute little baskets here.
Ooh, rockin'!
Isn't that pretty? And then we have this one here. It's a little smaller. So we thought, they're going to be so cute with the little mums in them. We still have our celery going. I'll turn you around so you can see the fall garden as it's cleared out. I do see a few weeds popping through the old, I would say, openings of the vegetable garden that we had for the summer. But we can pull those and we'll get you started and you can join us today. As you can see, the garden is pretty much cleared out of the summer veggies. There's a little weed there. Then our celery is, as you can see, right there. And then we still have our herb gardens out here. And some of our flowers that were still from the summer, they're still looking good. So I'm going to leave those alone. But yeah, pretty much summertime garden is over. So let's go ahead and get started. And Carmen is going to help me plant the mums and the pots that we had today. So the potting mix that I'm going to be using today is a premium potting mix. It is called Pro Mix, and it's for flowers for indoors and outdoors. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. Bring you down here.
Mama?
Yeah.
Flower?
You're going to help me plant flowers. Alright, so first we'll start with well, let's go ahead and start with the larger pot because I want to make sure I have enough soil.
No!
Well, it's okay. It's okay. It's not going to hurt being down there. Carmen's worried that something's going to happen to the jack-o'-lantern. So let's get this open, Carmen. You're going to help me plant the mums.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. They're going to be pretty, aren't they?
Flower cotton.
I should have brought my scissors out, which I was not thinking. But bear with us here for a minute. Alright, so I went ahead and got scissors here because the bag does not want to work with me today. So we're just going to cut this open. Are you excited? You like doing this, don't you? Yeah. You're going to help me lift it? It's kind of heavy. Ready?
Yay!
Yay! Yeah. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and just fill it up halfway, as you can see. This nice soil.
There.
You want to touch it? It's soft. Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no, your hands are dirty? We'll wash them. So I'm just going to make a little spot for the flower that I'm putting in here. And since this is a larger pot, we're going to put these in. Aren't those just gorgeous? No picking. You can smell them. Smell good? Kinda. Okay, so these are a little root bound, but they're able to pull out. These are the Belgian mums, or known as Kanako Gold. So we're going to go ahead. You want to help me, Carmen? Put it down in here. Ready? Good job. We're going to set those down and move that dirt around it.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Here.
You like that? Move it just a little bit further back so it has more room. Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yay. Now we're going to add more flour. Or more flour. Listen to me. More dirt around. Want to help me? Get some dirt and put it in here. You putting it in there? All right. Go ahead and get some. No. Here. Hide it. Get your dirt. There you go. Flour. Nice job. It's okay if it's dirt. So I'm just going to pour this in here. And then Carmen and I are going to spread it around. Go ahead, spread it around. There you go. Yep, go ahead. There you go. Good job. We're going to turn it around here and add some more on this side.
Get rocket.
Yeah.
Ready?
Carmen loves planting flowers.
What?
Yeah?
The bee.
Yes, there's a bee. Just remember what I taught you. Just don't swing at it. There we go. I got it. Yeah, it's fall time. The bees are looking for ways to build up and get their things they need to work during the winter and survive during the winter.
Oh no.
Yeah.
The happiness. Just one.
Bee is back, isn't it?
Oh, it's bee.
Yeah.
It's bee.
It's a bee.
It's okay.
Yep, it's okay. Is it annoying you today?
It's bee.
You must be sweet.
It's bee.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I got a little bit on the flowers there, but that'll wash out when we water them. That's okay. Things like that happen. Thank you. All right, so we got the first pot planted, and we're going to move it over here once we get everything else planted. So we're going to move this out of the way for now, and we're going to get the second one out, which is the smaller one. And then we have these ones here that I thought would be pretty. So I'm going to add some more soil to the bottom here. Alright, so ignore that little mishap. You fell off the table here. But I got you back. And we're going to go ahead and fill this up to, again, about the half mark, a little bit more maybe. Spread it around. Carmen's going to help me spread it around here. Good job. And we're going to put we're going to put the mums in. These are GG Dark Pink. Just a typical garden mum. Just breaking this up a little bit here.
Down.
Yep, we put it down in the dirt, don't we?
The brushing up.
Yeah, isn't it pretty?
Ah.
You like that?
Get rocket. See? Yay!
Yay! You're being such a good helper. Yeah. An old pesky bee's back, huh? Put the dirt in there. Yep, that's where the dirt goes. Good job. Pour some more here. Whoa. I am making a mess.
Where's the dog?
Yep, I'm putting the dirt in. Good job.
You did it, Morgan.
Yeah, you did it, Carmen.
Balkan. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? It's on. Where's the dog?
Good job.
It's okay.
Yep, it is okay. You're right.
Where's the dog?
Good job. Such a good helper.
What's that?
Yep, put it in there. I'm making a mess. I'm in this one hand. Hold this flour back. Oh, got it all over our flowers, didn't we? That's okay. They'll be fine.
You just can't walk either.
Yeah.
No. What's the dog?
It's alright. No big deal. Alright, so,
This is.
yep, thank you. Alright, so now we're going to move this out of the way. And look at that mess. Oh, you're going to help some more? Here. There you go. Alright, I think that's enough dirt. Wipe our hands off. We'll have to clean up that mess. Look at that mess we made. That's okay. It's always good to have the kids helping in the garden, and I made the mess just as much. So now we're going to move on to the next thing. Thank you. We're going to be planting our broccoli for our fall garden. And the broccoli that we have is a Waltham 29. So we have 6 of these that we're going to be planting, and we'll bring you along with that as well. Alright, so we have some open spots from the previous garden for summer, so I'm just going to dig this out. Yeah. And then we're going to take our broccoli. Broccoli, yes. And we're going to make sure that we get that down there good and deep. I want to break this up a little bit, just to kind of let those roots get less bound. And then we're just going to press it down.
Hold on. Get broken pot.
And we have planted our fall broccoli. And I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of it, and then I'll bring you back. Alrighty, so I have officially got the broccoli planted. And as you can see, it's not a hot day, but I'm hot today. But I've got 6 of those planted, and now we're getting ready to plant the spinach I was talking about. But let's turn you around so that you can see. So there's officially 6 plants of broccoli in the ground. Now over in this area, we're going to go ahead and add the spinach. As you can see, my plaques there for my mother and my father that passed. So we're going to put the spinach down here. Let's see if I can turn you around so you can see what I'm doing. Alright. So as I said, these spinach are called Seaside. I'm going to pull these out of the carton here and kind of just loosen up the soil around it and plant it in here. There we go, nice and snug as a bug. Whew. Do another one here. Like I said, we're just going to kind of separate the soil a little bit, help those roots be able to separate. So I'll continue that until all 6 of these are planted. Alright, so as you can see, I got the planters out here with the broccoli and the spinach. Spinach is over here, besides the celery and some of the onions. I'm sure my husband will probably rearrange it the way that he likes it, but for now, we're just going to leave it like that. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and end this video. And we're going to wish you a wonderful week. I am hot and sweaty, and I still got to go get cleaned up for work. So God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, share, share, share.